Today's agenda is non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement began in January 1921. Different social groups took part in the movement, in which the prominent were as follow: middle class in cities, rural people, student class, lawyers, tribal in forest, plantation worker, Hindu-Muslim unity, boycott of election. Here we shall discuss the following three groups. Middle class in cities. The movement began with the participant of middle class in cities. A large number of students left school, college, headmaster and the teachers resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices. The council were boycotted in most provincial except Madras. Non-cooperation movement had more dramatical influence of the economic front. Foreign goods were boycotted, liquid shops were picked, and foreign clothes were burned in huge bonfires. Second, rural people. The movement drawn into the fold of the struggle of peasants and tribal which were developing in the different part of India. The peasants demand the reduction of the taxation, abolishing of begin, and the social boycott of the oppressive the landlord. The Congress tried to integrate the award of presence in the struggle into the movement, but the peasant movement developed in the form which is Congress leadership was unhappy. As the movement spread in 1921, the house of the talukdars and the merchant were attacked, bazaar at the looted, and grains hordes were taken over. In many places, local leaders took peasants. The Gandhiji had declared that no taxes were to be paid and land was due redistributed among the poor. The name of Mahatma was being evolved to the section of the action and the inspiration. Plantation worker. Workers had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi ideas and the notice of the Swaraj. From Assam plantation workers, independent means the right of move freely in and out of the confidence spared in the which they enclose from them. Freedom means to retain connection with the village from which they had come, as per the Inland Immigration Act in 1959. Plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea garden without permission, which they were really give. Thousands of workers defied the authority when they heard about the non-cooperation movement. They left the plantation and headed home. They assumed that Gandhiji Raj comes everyone would be given land in their own village. In this way, plantation laborers also cooperated with Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.